In today's hyper-connected digital world, computer science plays a vital role, from the applications running on your phone to the systems running global businesses. The Bachelors of Engineering in CSE at Chandigarh University prepares students to perform at the elite level, with the rightful skills, knowledge, and the global exposure. Our program is ABET and NBA accredited and is designed with the collaboration of the leading tech global companies here. And whatever the students learn here stays relevant and up-to-date exactly what industry demands. Let us take you through how this program actually works for our students.
From the day one, we are trained to be industry ready. The major part of the program is experiential learning. We work on capstone projects on disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and quantum computing. Also get to work on industry standard tools and platforms that industry professionals actually use. Along with this, we get to complete industrial internships to help us understand what tech giants expect from us as engineers.
And all of this becomes even more impactful because of the world-class labs we get to work in. And these facilities are developed in collaboration with global tech giants that mirror real-world work environments.
We regularly interact with AI experts and industry leaders from leading global companies. These sessions give us a clear idea of current industry trends and expectations. We get the opportunity to earn globally recognized certifications as well, along with the opportunity to work on international research projects and present at global conferences, which adds real value to our profile.
Because of this extensive industry exposure, I'm placed at Microsoft today, and the transition from campus to global technology leaders has proved how strong the foundation here really is.
That is what BE, Computer Science and Engineering at Chandigarh University offers, a program designed by the tech leaders to build leaders of tomorrow.